Welcome students to the fourth lecture of French Revolution. In this lecture we will study about how France becomes a constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy, it means there will be monarchy but a constitution will be formed to assess the limitations of the monarch. Monarchy जो राज है या फिर जो उनके पावर्स है उनको कम कर देना, that is called as the constitutional monarchy, which was formed in 1791. In this constitutional monarchy we have read about the membership of legislative, executive and judiciary was formed. And in this, what happened, how did it become a constitutional monarchy? They had two parts in the active and the passive citizen. Who were the active citizens? The active citizens were who had power or right to vote. But who were there? They were the people who paid taxes. The allied group which paid the taxes had the right to vote. And who were the passive citizens? The passive citizens had no voting rights. These were about 4 million people. And those who had right to vote was the age above 25 years. So they were the active and passive citizens, and these active citizens has right to vote from the third intellectual group or third estate group. Now they formed and they demanded for a constitutional monarchy, and in the constitutional monarchy that was formed after 1791. Then what happened, the France abolishes. Now after this demand of constitutional, when it was approved the constitutional monarchy, then after some time France abolishes the monarchy and become a republic. How did it abolishes the monarchy rule? Because when Louis XVI and King of Prussia secretly formed a society, secretly formed an army against these liberals or the middle class group, and because of this the third estate was against the King Louis XVI. So they formed a formation of political clubs. Yes, now this is also an important question of what is a Jacobin club. These political clubs which was formed by third estate, but in the third estate who were the people? Less prosperous, जो ज़्यादा एजुकेटेड नहीं थे, पैसे वाले नहीं थे, रिच नहीं थे, उनका फॉर्मेशन, जो सबसे ज़्यादा लार्ज पॉपुलेशन जिनकी थी, उन्होंने जैकोबिन क्लब के फॉर्मेशन, ये पॉलिटिकल क्लब्स का फॉर्मेशन किया. दैट वाज अ पावर क्लब विच वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय द थर्ड एस्टेट. How did now let us study about what was Jacobin club. It got its name from the convent of Saint Jacobin in Paris, the name which was adopted from Saint Jacobin, who were the members mainly from less prosperous sections of the society in France. Then who was the leader? The main leader was Maximilien Robespierre. In the other lecture we will study about his reign of terror. Dress code. They had long striped trousers. Men wore red cap. Red cap was for liberty. They were also known as sans-culottes. Who were called as sans-culottes? The members of the Jacobin club led by Maximilien Robespierre were called as sans-culottes, and they wore the without knee breeches. Yes. Now revolt was under the Jacobin club. All men of 21 years. What happened when the formation of Jacobin club? In the Jacobin club there was a demand for all men of 21 years have to right to vote, called convention after National Assembly. In the previous chapter we have talked about National Assembly, but it was removed. After the removation of the National Assembly, new convention was formed. This was a new assembly. What was convention? This was a new assembly, or the members of the group of Jacobin Club of 21 years, those who had right to vote. Then what happened about the Louis XVI? Louis XVI was now sentenced to death. By whom? By the convention club, or the convention, the new assembly. They sentenced him to death, and he was hanged on 21st Jan 1973. On what charges? Charges of treason. Treason means the देशद्रोह. देशद्रोह के मामले में उनको फांसी की सज़ा सुनाई गई, और उनकी वाइफ को भी फांसी की सज़ा, and she was also hanged. So this was the formation of Jacobin Club, and how France became a constitutional monarchy. In the next lecture we will study about Reign of Terror.